everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here with me today. Happy Saturday. I hope you're all doing well. I do not have a project to share for you today, but I do want to share some supplies and embellishments that you can use in your junk journaling or sewing projects. And these are materials that I most often use when I create a journal. Some of these pieces I've hoarded for a long time, and now it is time for me to let them go, and so I will list them in my Etsy shop. So if you're looking for embellishments, please stay till the end of this video. It's a very short video. Maybe I have something to offer you today. To start, I have here a bundle. These are fabric trims and laces, really gorgeous in blue and gold combination. This bundle is perfect if you are creating or embellishing a journal with blue theme, like under the sea kind of theme. That blue, silver, and gold color combination give you that feeling of peace, serenity, really calming and relaxing. I love this color combination. The trims are 1 yard each, and then I think I have here two pieces that are 6 inches. So this particular one is 1 yard. Beautiful, kind of embroidered as well. And then this lace is also 1 yard. So beautiful. These are excellent to embellish the edges of the pages. You can also use this to decorate the pockets and tucks. Or if you're making something, you're sewing something, maybe this is what you are looking for. And then this lace is also very pretty. This is also 1 yard. I will use this to decorate the edges of the paper. And this is 6 inches. I ran out of this, and I probably would look for more because this is very beautiful. And then this is a cotton fabric, Indian cotton fabric, which is big enough to cover a journal or to be the base for your cover. So the dimensions of each piece will be in my listing, and I will provide the link of my Etsy shop in the description. This piece is so beautiful. Look at this. It is see-through, but I love the embroidery. And this is a satin fabric, which is also big enough to cover a journal. And you can add your other trims to really decorate it and make it more beautiful. This piece has a see-through effect, and this is also embroidered. Now, I'm not an expert in fabric, so I don't really know the exact name of each fabric, but all I can say is that these are gorgeous pieces that you may want to use in your projects. This particular floral blue and gold is just gorgeous. So it's big enough to cover probably 2 journals, 2 small journals, or 1 big journal. So there you go. This bundle, I only have 2 sets left because the 5 sets already sold when I showed it in my Instagram account. If you're interested, this will be in my Etsy shop. I have 2 sets left. This is how I put the pieces together. They go in a plastic bag, and I add some more. Like I like to give freebies too. This already sold as well. I only have 1 set remaining in my Etsy shop, and this one also is gone. So there you go. These are all the bundles that I have and had in my Etsy shop. So please check it out. Hopefully you'll find something that you like and that can benefit you. This particular green bundle I am still putting together. I have some laces and some fabrics with a shade of green. So I am hoping to have this also available by next week. They are gorgeous. Very beautiful in person. Sometimes my camera is not good enough to really capture everything right. I don't have the proper lighting, so it is really more beautiful in person. This will be my green bundle, but I will add some more fabric and laces to complete this. And then I have some sets of embossed cardstock. There are 7 different colors in one set. These are also pastel colors. You can create a card using these pieces. You can use them as your pockets or tucks also in your journal pages. So you can do so many things with these pieces. Beautiful to use in your journals. And then I have some handmade papers, also in different colors. I believe I only have one set remaining. I sold some of the pieces, but if you are interested, this is all I got. I also have sets of postcards, very old postcards. Some of them are from 1930s. I have 1960s as well. Now I will pick them by random, and each set has 5 postcards. I'm not gonna choose, I'll just pick them and put them in a bundle. These are beautiful postcards with messages on the back. These are perfect to add to your journals. They can also make pockets. You can scan them if you would like, and excellent to add to your collection. So again, a set is 5 pieces, and I pick by random. And lastly, I'd like to show you my seam bindings. These are just dyed and crinkled. I have different colors: rustic brown, gold, wild and fresh green. This is avocado green and salmon pink. I have blue as well, different shades of blue. So different colors. I've sold so many of these pieces, so I hope if you're looking for seam bindings, crinkled ones, please visit my Etsy shop. You may find something that you like there. So there you go, everyone. This is my share today. Again, these are supplies and embellishments that you may want to add to your journal and use them when you create your projects. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Leave me some feedback down below. I really appreciate all your support. So thanks again, everyone, for watching and for supporting my channel. If you are not subscribed, please join my YouTube family and hit that subscribe button. I would also appreciate a thumbs up and like. So thanks very much, everyone. God bless you. Happy weekend. Bye now. Till next time.